Hi, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to use the filter feature when you're browsing for different listings on our marketplace. It's pretty simple. If you go into all listing, let's just say I'm here and I want to look for cotton. You can just search for material. First start with the material itself. So it will pick out all the cotton products in the marketplace for you. It will also kind of like easy navigation. This one is processed and prepared, it's post consumer, it has different color coding as well. If you're looking for post industrial waste, you can just simply say post industrial waste. The listing will say post industrial waste itself. If it's post consumer, it will say either it's just plain post consumer or it's been processed or prepared itself. So you can go into a different product category as well. Now let's first do this. So if you're saying I want minimum 80% cotton, so all the listings with minimum 80% cotton in it will be shown to you itself. Let's say I'm now clearing it and I am here with cotton listings and I would like to buy cotton fiber waste. So all the fibers processed and prepared, you can see the listings come up. If you're also open to yarns, you can add yarns, so it will kind of increase the number of listings that are on offer. If I add scraps and clipping, it'll be even more in cotton listing as well. So this kind of like adds and this deducts. So now if you are looking for only these kind of categories in post consumer waste, you can see all this post consumer waste that has been prepared itself. Textile types, you can kind of like select which knits and woven. So if you're looking for knits, jersey material, you can just select knit category and you'll see all the knit, scrap, clipping, waste, different types of materials. Different colors, if you're looking for a particular color, just say navy. So this supplier has navy scrap clipping, that's like your pure gold that you're asking for, available with him, and you can speak with him directly. Now I'll just remove this filter just to increase the number of listings. Frequency, are you looking for a monthly supply, one-off supply? And location, you can also kind of like narrow down from locations which is your sourcing region. Let's say I just want to clear and I just go into cotton and I am looking for cotton listings from India. I can see all the cotton material listing which are out there that sellers are selling in my kind of like filter zone itself. So this is how you filter different materials, different listings onto the marketplace. So now I'm just clearing all the listings, clearing all the feature filter, and now I'll show you something else as well. So this one is all listing, it will kind of show you everything. We also have like a simple navigation menu. If you're looking for natural fibers, all the natural fibers have been listed over here. There is a category of popular as well, so you can search from top menu, which is cotton. So all the listing, if it mentions cotton, it will be shown to you itself. If you are looking for, let's say, polyester, it will show you all the polyester listings, and as well as listings and demand when you kind of come from here. So how many people are looking for polyester, how many people are selling polyester itself in different quantities. So these are our filter features. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any feedback, please feel free to give me a shout and I am here to listen. Thank you so much. In the next video, I will show you our smart messaging feature. Thank you.